Hello and welcome back to CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. So today we gonna discuss about collections. Java collections. What actually it is? A group of individual objects which are represented as a single unit is known as collection of objects. So let me give it in comments for better understanding. So, a group of individual objects which are represented as a single unit is known as collection of objects. So let us discuss the method of collection interface at the end. For now, let's try a problem to understand better regarding collections. So let's get started. Let me give import java.util.start. Now here let me give public class has set, or else we can give main here. Then let me give public static void main. String args. Now let me give has set string. Hash set is equals to new hash set. So here let me give hash set dot add CSI. Here let me give hash set dot add Vit-Ap. Here let me give hash set dot add, again let me give CSI. Now let me give hash set dot add, again let me give CSI Vit-Ap. Now let us print hash set. For that let me give system.out.println hash set. So done. As we are done with the code, now pause the video and find out the appropriate output. So it's 3, 2, 1 and go. So let's run and check out and see what So these all comes under methods of collection interface. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you all understood this collections. See you soon. Thank you.